Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Me, Queen Elizabeth, once again come up with another very exciting project, AI Green. As you can see, I want to show you on my screen the most amazing project. Before going to start the review of my amazing project, I request you, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe, like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further upcoming amazing videos. Today guys, I have to describe in my video, I want to show you in my video how to buy this amazing AI green token. As you can see, this is amazing project which is AI green. You can check it out and boost your team's productivity with AI, the artificial intelligence green project. In this video today, we have to look at how to buy this amazing token. So you simply go to your this page and you have to just click the buy AI token, and simply you have to buy their amazing token. As you can see, the AI green pre-sale. The AI is a native token that powers the thriving ecosystems of AI green. The AI plays a pivotal role in facilitating and enhancing the functionality of our platform. Here you can see and check it out, the AI green contract, and add to MetaMask, and you can buy and receive your token immediately, because it has to be started in 35 days, 15 hours and 17 minutes and 30 seconds. So you have to just buy this amazing token, connect your wallet to see the fund raised, and have, as you can check it out, the listing price, and you can check it out what one Ethereum is equal to 270,000 AI. And also you can put the amount in the Ethereum you pay, and you have to just AI receive, and you can check it out. I put one Ethereum, and you can check it out, their AI amount you receive is showing on my screen. And also you have to put amount which you want, and you can check it out, their amount in AI you can receive. So you can check it out, and also you can directly buy this amazing token by click on the direct buy. You have to just scan the QR code and send the Ethereum to the pre-sale address, and you will receive the AI token immediately. And also you have to connect your wallet by this Ethereum. So you have to click on the connect wallet. When you have to connect the wallet, the MetaMask, as I can see, the MetaMask is have to be connected. So we will firstly go to the AI contract address, and we have to copy this contract address. As I go to the AI contract, when I go to the AI contract page, you have to see that they have shown on the token contract, and which is 18 decimal. So you have to copy this contract address easily page. As you can see, this wants some guys, you surely take benefit from it. And now this MetaMask is open, so you have to simply go to the home page. As I go to, so you just simply go to home page, as I go to, and you can check it out, the import token page. When you go to import token page, they show you search and custom token. You have to click the custom token. When you have to click the custom token, the contact address you have to copy, you just paste on this, just as I paste on this. So you have to paste this contact address, and simply you can check it out, the token symbol which is AI, the token decimal which are 8, and you have to just click the next. And this is a very simple token buying. Check it out, the most amazing project, the AI green, and you can boost your team productivity with the AI green and get started free. In my previous video, I will early describe this, what is AI green in detail, and also there what can AI green do for you, the instant answer to your business question, and also update any data and build your knowledge base, and also provide sources for every answer, boost your employee efficiency, provide support and troubleshoot issues, and brainstorm ideas and give suggestions on how it works. The easy procedure I have to tell you in my before this video. So you have to check it out, this video, and you can get benefit from it. And also you can check it out, they work in every language. So you have to check it out and integrate with your favorite tool. They have the docs, website, PDF, media and website, and Slack and API and Discord and Zapier, trusted by over 100,000 businesses. So you have to check it out, an advanced data defense, customized access control, and unwavering commitment to the security, frequently asked questions. So this is very amazing. You have to put your answers and put your questions, so what you want to know, what does AI green work, how can I upload the documents to the AI Grain. Can I train AI Grain on my specific business process? Is that replacement for the human employee? Each and everything is available on this amazing project, so you have to check it out and empower your team with AI. So get started free. This is very amazing, and you have to also check it out the social accounts like Telegram and Twitter. This is all about my video in which I will show you how to buy the AI Grain token. So you have to simply check it out my video, and you have to buy their token, and easily you can buy their token. So if you like this video, you have to share your friends and family so they also get benefit from it. Goodbye, take care.